Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new tech reviews and gadgets episode where today we're reviewing some Bluetooth headphones and you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we're reviewing some Bluetooth headphones from the company Treblab, and this model is actually the Z2. And the great thing about this Bluetooth headphone is you guys can use this when you're doing activities such as, going out into the gym. You guys can use this outside. These headphones actually have a playtime of up to 35 hours on a full charge battery, so you guys can use these headphones for an extended period of time without having any issues with the power. But before we actually get started with this tech reviews and gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. If you guys have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I receive. If you guys have any inquiries, just let me know. If you guys do enjoy this video after watching it, make sure you guys go down below and leave a like. That just informs me and lets me know if you guys are enjoying these kinds of videos. If you guys want to follow us on our various social media platforms, our social media links are down below in the description. You guys can follow us to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. If you're a business owner or a company owner interested in a product review, our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can send me a message and we can potentially work together on a future product review. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to purchase this product or check it out, there will be a link down below for you guys to check out this product on Amazon and just to see more information about these headphones. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move on to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. So, as you guys can see, the packaging of this headphones looks really sophisticated, You guys can see there's a lot of text and information on the front of the box, and as I flip it around, you guys can see there's a few more specifications and details about these headphones. So what we're going to do now is actually shift this onto a secondary camera angle so you guys can have a closer shot at this product. As you guys can see, there is a picture of the headphones right here on the right side of the headphones, and you guys can see there's a long list of specifications and details about these wireless HD headphones. So what we're going to do now is actually proceed to actually unbox this box. So what I like about the design is they actually use magnets on the side. So as I open this, you guys are going to see there's actually some magnets and stuff right there. And then this is how the Bluetooth headphones look like inside the packaging. So you guys can see we're actually greeted with a user manual inside this slip. We're greeted with a thank you card for purchasing these headphones. We also get a sticker that you guys can use to put on your laptop or anything that you want to use the sticker on. And then this is a user manual that gives you guys more specifications and details on how to actually set up and use these Bluetooth headphones. Let's put that off to the side. So this is where the main component to this, obviously product is, What I would like about these Bluetooth headphones is they actually included a hard-proof case. So inside this hard-proof case, we're gonna actually find the Bluetooth headphones and also our accessories. Once you open it up, let's actually start with the accessories. So the accessories are actually right inside this sleeve. We get included the USB charging cable so you guys can actually charge up these Bluetooth headphones. Next up, we actually get included an auxiliary cable that actually has a microphone attached to it. So you guys can use this to listen to music and also make phone calls with these Bluetooth headphones. And then last but not least, we have a carabiner that you guys can use to attach onto your backpacks and just different things that you want to attach this Bluetooth headphones onto, or I should say the case onto. So we're gonna put that off to the side, and what I'm gonna do now is actually put this box off to the side. You guys can see these are where the headphones are basically stored, and then as you guys can see, we've pulled them out. and this is how these headphones look like. You know, as you guys can see on the secondary camera angle, you know, it does have the design, Treblab's design and stuff. They do give indications on which one's is the left side, which one's the right side, and you guys can see it does have very nice sleek design. And as I was saying earlier, these are swivel headphones, meaning that you guys can turn these swivels around and make your headphones, you know, basically go flat like this. So you guys can see on the secondary camera angle, I really like how they implemented that into the design. So what I'm gonna do now is kind of move this case aside and basically just lay out everything that we get included with the packaging. You guys can see everything laid out that I was talking about earlier: the USB cable, the auxiliary cable, the thank you card, the user manual, the sticker, the carabiner, the headphones itself, and then also the carrying case or the hard-proof case that you guys can use to store your headphones in after using it. So I really like the overall design and also the packaging of these headphones. They included a lot of accessories and additional things that you guys can use and implement with these headphones. But right now, what we're gonna do is actually move on to the testing and demonstration portion of this video. So let's actually proceed to test out these headphones out. So what we're gonna do is actually, we're gonna test out with my phone. But first off, you know, I do need to show you guys where the power button and stuff is. And I forgot to also mention that these headphones actually are Bluetooth 5.0, and then also they only take about 3 hours to actually fully charge and be able to be ready to use and actually just, you know, start performing with. So right here we actually get our on and off switch and the microphone. I think that could either be a microphone or the LED indication, but we'll find out once we turn it on. And then on this side, this is where we have all our media controls. So right here we have the aux input, we have the USB charging port, we have the we have volume up and also skip track button on right here. Hopefully you guys can see that. And then we have the play and pause in the middle, as you guys can see. And then right here we also have our skip track, and then I think that's a volume increase button on this side. So you guys can see they also included a lot of the media controls onto the headphones. So what we're gonna do now is actually power this on, and I also did forget to mention that these headphones are actually active noise canceling, meaning when you guys actually put them on and use them, you guys can cancel out a lot of the noise around you and get that nice sounding headphone, you know, just whatever you're listening to, you can listen to it nicely and not have to worry about what's going around you. So that's a nice feature that they implemented into this headphone. So what we're gonna do is actually power it on and connect it with my phone. Okay, now you guys can actually see on my phone screen we have Treblab Z2. Now I'm pairing to it and we should be connected, pair, and voila, we are connected to these headphones. So what I'm gonna do now is actually just put them on. We're gonna go into my music play app store or whatever you call it. I forgot the name always. And we're just gonna test this out and just, you know, see the audio quality of these headphones, and we're just going to test it out with a few songs and then conclude our demonstration. So let's actually proceed by putting these on, and what I like about these headphones is that swivel. Alright, so the headphones are on, and you can easily extend them and stuff. So they're on me right now, so let's actually just play the song and slowly increase our audio. So right now, we are at max volume, and let me tell you, with the active noise canceling, I can't even hear myself speak right now. So the active noise canceling is working with these Bluetooth headphones. So I could be actually screaming right now, I honestly have no idea. But the audio of these headphones don't sound entirely bad at all. I do hear the nice bass, and I can also hear the mids and the highs and the lows with these Bluetooth headphones. So there's no issue with the sound quality. So what I'm gonna do now is actually take these off and put them up to the microphone so you guys can actually have a close, so, just, hear the sound of these Bluetooth headphones. You guys can hear the audio of these Bluetooth headphones don't sound as bad at all. They don't sound bad at all, really, they don't. there was not, I wouldn't say there was a lot of audio leakage, but you know, it does, like the active noise canceling does help with, you know, just all the noise that's around you and stuff. Like I was saying earlier, as I'm talking, I can't really hear myself, so it's actually being really productive and actually performing its task. So what we're gonna do now is, you know, just test out another song, maybe another one, and just, you know, see how the audio sounds with another song. Let me just, you know, have the song kind of build up a little bit. But honestly, like with me just testing out these few songs so far, the audio doesn't sound bad at all with these headphones. These headphones would appeal to those who do a lot of activities outside or go to the gym a lot, as these are like active Bluetooth headphones. Whoa. So what I'm gonna do is actually switch off the active noise canceling, see how that sounds real quick. The audio sounds a lot more louder with the active noise canceling. And let me tell you, I can't really hear myself at all still. The audio of these Bluetooth headphones honestly sounds fantastic. You know, if I was cutting my grass or just, you know, outside right now with these Bluetooth headphones, honestly, I probably wouldn't hear anything at all. So you guys can use these headphones out in environments that are extremely loud and you kind of want to dampen everybody's voices or whatever situation you're in. But I think that this is a fantastic Bluetooth headphones. It does the job. The active noise canceling does indeed work, and I really do like this, these headphones for that feature. But right now what we're gonna do is actually move on to the final reflections and remarks and end off this video. So, what are my final opinions and remarks about these Bluetooth headphones from the company Treblab? This model is the Z2, and honestly, I don't really have anything negative to say about these Bluetooth headphones. There's so many features and functionalities that these Bluetooth headphones have to offer, with the active noise canceling, the media controls on the side, the swivel cups, the carrying case that they included with the packaging, all the accessories like the auxiliary cable and also the charging cable and the carabiner. There are so many accessories that are included that I honestly have nothing to complain about these headphones. They're also expandable, so if you have bigger heads and stuff, you can expand them so they can fit your heads and your needs. And then the great thing is, like I was saying earlier, is the swivel. So if I wanted to, I can kind of have one ear in and the other ear out, so kind of like this. So, you know, I can, you know, DJ and do all that kind of stuff, or do some audio engineering and stuff with these headphones. So I think that this is a fantastic headphones for those who do want to use headphones in an environment that may be too loud otherwise. But anyways, what we're going to do now is kind of wrap up this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button, especially if you're brand new to our YouTube channel. If you guys have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment, as I reply and read every single comment I receive. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys go down below and leave a like, as that informs me and lets me know if you guys are enjoying these kinds of videos. All our social media links are down below in the description. You guys can follow us to stay connected and also get updates on whenever we do upload. And then also, if you're a business owner or a company owner interested in a product review, our business email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can send me a message and we could potentially work together on a future product review. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to purchase these headphones, there will be a link down below for you guys to actually check out these headphones and also get more information about them. But anyways, we're gonna wrap up this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing out. Thank you all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.